Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I am making an awesome shrimp recipe, okay? Shrimp recipe today guys, and we're using mustard for our binder. We're not using an egg. I do have a video out here, it's on a short, with the eggs if you want to see it, by Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen. All right guys, I would like you guys to know this special announcement today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting on you guys to push that subscribe button, give me a comment, and I would truly appreciate it. Let's get right to this recipe. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to get over there guys. I'm waiting on you. I've been reading your comments and I'm trying to do the best I can with what I can. How about that? All right guys, without further ado, let's go through this. We're going to use mustard, slap your mama, sazon, white pepper. This is something new for me. I've seen it in a bunch of my family's kitchen, but I never used it. I'm using this. It has no MSG in it, and you can use it. It's supposed to make your food really tender. I have Tony saturated Creole seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now, I'm using that lily white flour to fry it with. So guys, this flour has been working awesome for me. So I do suggest everybody go out and get them a bag of it. If you can't get it, it fries your chicken, and any of your frying items would be absolutely amazing. Okay guys, let's do this so we can get this show on the road. All right guys, all I'm gonna do is sprinkle. But what you wanna do first is, this is your binder. You will not taste this on your food. The mustard just goes in just to keep everything together, okay? So I'm using one hand to season with, and I'm shaking on like that, guys. And I'm going. You're going to give it a shake. Slap your mama. You're going to put your white pepper on. Don't go so heavy. These are shrimp. Okay, we're going in with our onion powder. We're going in with our garlic powder. We're going in with our Tonys. I was out of Obey, guys, so I'm using Tony and Slap Your Mama. I have to get some today. Going in with this Dophilus tender, just a little shake for me. And this is absolutely amazing, this sazon. I love it. Okay, just a little bit. Okay. And what you want to do after that is make sure those shrimp are looking just like that. See that? Can you guys see that? That's what they look like. All right. I'm going to wash my hands, guys, and come back and show you how I do this, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys, I got about a half a cup of flour there. And I'm just going to take these and I'm going to throw them in one by one like this. Throw them in there. And we're going to shake these babies up, and these shrimp are going to be absolutely amazing. Okay. We got them all in there. Now what you want to do now is find your plastic bag, brown bag, a bowl, whatever you want to shake your flour up in. You just want to shake them up, guys. I got this at Target, and they actually have a set, guys, and it's very cheap. They got different colors and everything, so if you want to go to Target and get them, I got like the plastic forks and the spoons and everything in the color to match. And I got it around probably in June, but this is where they all came from. Now you see how beautiful that look? All right, look. That grease is ready. We're going to go right into it. Look at that. Deep fried shrimp, guys. All right, let's leave it just like that. 2-3 minutes. Once that's color start coming on your shrimp, you know we're gonna flip. You don't want to overcook them and you don't want to undercook them, guys, because you will get sick. Okay, so we're gonna let those cook about another 2 minutes, and I'm gonna flip them. All right, guys, let's flip them over. Okay, you can get a big fork, a spoon, a net, whatever you want to do. You just want to flip them over. Okay. You're using a cast iron skillet. You might want to use the deep fryer. You won't have to do this, but I'm just in love with my cast iron skillets, guys. I got so many of them. I'm gonna give some away. Okay. This is gonna go like that. Okay. It's not going to take a full 3 minutes on the other side. Depending on what size shrimp you have, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and they're ready to come out, guys. They're beautiful, they're tasty, and you will love them. All right, guys, I'm back. Okay. This is how we're going to take them out. You see how beautiful those are? This is Shrimp 101, guys. This is easy. Everybody can do this one. Okay? I'm going to take them out. You're going to have a piece of paper towel or your rack. However you want to do them, guys. You want to come up like that. You want to take them out. Look how beautiful those shrimp are. My son's probably going to have a little cocktail sauce on his, but if I was eating them, they would be strictly lemon all over them. All right, guys, look at those shrimp. Come into them. Look how beautiful they are. If you want that coating on there deeper than that, you just shake it more. These are absolutely amazing. They're burning hot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I love you. Everyone have a marvelous Wednesday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Voila! Bye-bye.